Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Spotify is up to date and actively playing audio. This forces the lock screen control to register. Once done, open your phone settings and navigate to notifications, then find Spotify. You need to confirm notifications and lock screen access are allowed. Some systems split media controls from general notifications, so make sure both are enabled. If prompted, grant permission for show on lock screen or allow notifications. Show as banners so the OS will display the playback widget. Next, you tweak both Spotify's internal settings and the operating system's media permissions so the lock screen widget appears reliably. In Spotify's playback settings, toggle any audio or notification options because in-app suppression will prevent OS widgets. On Android, enable media controls and notification access. On iOS, allow background app refresh and notification center access so the system can surface the player. Once configured, restart the app and play audio to verify the lock screen control appears. This reinitializes the connection between app and OS. Finish by restarting your phone. A full reboot clears notification and media service caches and usually restores the lock screen controls. If that fails, clear Spotify's cache or reinstall the app to reset its permissions and notification tokens because corrupt cache can block widgets. Also check battery saver, privacy, or focus modes. These often mute lock screen elements. Disable them for Spotify explicitly. If you still don't see controls, toggle notification permissions off and on again, then play audio. That forces the OS to re-request display access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.